Here we have a question based on direct and inverse proportion. A machine in a soft drink factory fills 840 bottles in 6 hours. The question is, how many bottles will it fill in 5 hours? It will not be mentioned whether this question is based on direct proportion or inverse proportion. We will have to read the question carefully and find out whether it is a case of direct proportion or inverse proportion. Now, see, this machine is filling 840 bottles in 6 hours. Now, how many bottles will it fill in 5 hours? Now, we have to find a relation between this machine and the time. If the time is increased, will it be able to fill more bottles or will it be able to fill less bottles? So, here we can understand very clearly that when we have more time, when we give more time to the machine, it will be able to fill more bottles. So, when time is increased, the number of bottles it can fill will also increase. So, this is a question based on direct proportion. Now, once we identify that this is a question on direct proportion, we will put in the details of the question. The details are bottles and the time taken. So, we will write the bottles here and the time in hours. This is given in hours. So, in the first case, it is given that 840 bottles are filled in 6 hours. So, 840 here and 6 here. Question is, how many bottles that we do not know, x, is going to be filled in 5 hours. So, we have put in the details here in this tabular form. Now, if it is a case of direct proportion, we can find out the answer by cross multiplying. Cross multiplying means we will multiply 5 with 840 and we will multiply x with 6. So, when we cross multiply this, we will get 6x is equal to, we are multiplying x and 6, we get 6x equal to 840 multiplied by 5, and therefore, the value of x can be found by multiplying 840 into 5 and dividing the result by 6. So, now we can cancel this 840 and 6, 6 ones are 6, here 6 ones are 6, 24. So, we get 140. Now, 140 is multiplied by 5, we get 700. So, the answer to this question will be, in 5 hours this machine will be able to fill 700 bottles.